I am perfectly imperfect. Hi everybody, I'm Erlene from Erlene Garcia Art, and that is the title to my latest tea-dyed envelope art journal starring the fabulous fashion and film icon Audrey Hepburn. So I chose the title from a scrapbook pad called Simple Stories. I just love that pad. I purchased that at Hobby Lobby for $6.99, and while I was there I found this beautiful blush colored ribbon that has roses on it, and it looks vintage. It's not, but it looks so vintage. I love the color. I tied it in a simple loose knot so it would be easy to slide on and off. And as you notice, that little tiny Vespa, because I do design jewelry, I'm always picking up fun and unusual charms that I purchased at a bead show in Pasadena, California. The images, I have a collection of beautiful images of Audrey Hepburn and thought that she should star in this amazing journal. And I attached the little Vespa inside of a little tiny hole that is a miniature film strip from Ideology. I bought that a couple of years ago. And let's open the first page. Oh, and I also distressed the edge with the Distress ink by Tim Holtz. And I used it in many different colors throughout the journal. Yay, let's go to the first page. Oh, I love it. So there's a very beautiful picture of her talking about a woman who could wear anything. And look at that hat. Amazing. So in this pocket where I stamped things I love and a little spot there for journaling, I made a tag. And on the inside of the envelope here, you can see where the tea bag laid. I used my favorite washi tape. Oh, that's my dog running around if you could hear him. And on this tag, I found some beautiful teal colored sequins at Michael's, and it was 27 cents in the sale bin. And so I stapled them with pink staples around. And then on the other side, I stamped a little airplane, travel the world, a little compass, travel the world. And I had bought those stamps, 4 of them, for I think $2 at Michael's. And of course I put coordinating ribbon to match the background paper there. Let's slide that in the pocket. Oh, there's washi tape going along the side there. I don't know if you could see that. And I'm hooked on now making a little page turner with a hole and a ribbon. And I reinforce the hole with We Are Memory Makers hole punch there. And oh, that's so bright. On this side is a little copy of a vintage movie poster. I put a little Austrian crystal in there since it looks like it was sparkling already. And then this is a little pad where you just write your sales. And I bought that at the 99-cent store. I used washi tape, staples, and a stamp that I bought at a garage sale about 15 years ago. And let's turn the page. This looks like it's perfect for a princess. Again, I found those sequins at Michael's for 27 cents. I found this ribbon. It is called bias tape. I bought, gosh, maybe 50 or 60 packages at the Goodwill for $5.99. And I stapled them together. Punched a hole, more washi tape. This background paper here is really pretty. That came from Hobby Lobby. And I bought that per page. Stamped Be Lovely. Put her name right here. And colorized around it. Stapled the pocket. Stamped Be Happy. I made the tag out of extra cardboard that I had around. Some of them I made out of cereal boxes. Another hole reinforcer that you'll notice on all of my tags. Notebook paper and aged the edges. 2 little pictures. And I like that some of the film playbills are in different languages. I think it really makes a nice statement. And notebook paper, colorized it. Washi tape, I just ripped it because I like the rough edge look. And another playbill, stamped Be Stylish, and stapled this ribbon on the edge. You can hear it. It's fuzzy. It makes a little noise there. I just like that bright, bright pink, sparkly fuchsia color. And then this one, she's very young there. I ripped the bottom, colorized it, used washi tape. This was from, it looks like a magazine that she was in. I try to make everything in here come from something that she was portraying. Washi tape, punched a hole, tied a ribbon. I love the way the leopard looks on there. Another tag with another playbill. I think that's from Sabrina. And then on the back, I left this particular part open for journaling. A French fashion magazine. More, you can see the leopard over here, the inside of the envelope. A little Life magazine cover. And this must have been a playbill that I had in my collection. Another stamp that I had for a very long time. Let's turn the page. And then more of that ribbon. I thought it matched her dress. It looked like it could be part of her hat. I don't know if she's wearing a hat. No, she's not. But I gave her a hat. Live, love, laugh, washi tape, be true. And then notebook paper. More live, laugh. Live, love, laugh. And then here's another pocket with washi tape. Another playbill. More washi tape. And then the Ideology film strip. You can tell it's like a hard plastic. I just stapled that on a piece that I ripped off, but I wanted to use, I think I used this picture on another item, and then I just thought I can't throw those words away. We have to use those on a tag. And then colorize the edge of it. And this part, fearless and fabulous, and I wrote, your name goes here. And then drew a line so you could put your name there because you are going to be fearless and fabulous. And that was on that little scrapbook pad. I made this tag out of, I think, a Special K cereal box. I like making the long tags. That's fun. Another magazine cover and a Vogue cover. Sparkly washi tape. Journal. How awesome you are. Have fun. Write something happy that you've done. I made another little punch there. Ooh, that's a beautiful picture. I just love the color of the old-fashioned playbills and magazines. I stapled a ribbon here on this pocket. And here's another tag. I stapled those sequins there. And Sabrina. Oh, this went to the other picture, but I couldn't get rid of that either. I just love the color, and it's just so retro. You can see where the tea bag laid on the envelope, and I look forward to you joining me in teaching you how to make these journals. This washi tape here came from Michael's. I had a piece of legal paper and partly notebook paper, so you will see in some of my journals I'll put the scraps together to make a nice writing area. More washi tape. That came out of the 3 for $1 bin at Michael's. Bright ribbon to complement that picture. And this one is Be Bold. She's lighting up a cigarette. So I thought that would be a perfect stamp. Again, that came from that box from Hobby Lobby. I really love having those stamps. More washi tape on this page. This was the top of what I ripped off and put on the other one. So I thought, yeah, let's just use it here. stapled down some ribbon that I purchased at Michael's. This ribbon right here on the hole that I punched, I've had that for years. I like those little pom-poms on there. A little scrap piece of sequins stapled up there. Adds a little glitz. More washi tape. I chose the green because it matched that green on the Glamour magazine. Funny face. I aged it. And this scrapbook paper came from Michael's. It's English Rose Garden by Recollections. And that's what my background right now that I'm using because my desk is a mess and I spilled googly eyes everywhere. And if you have those, then you know how hard it is to make those up. And my pork chops are baking in the oven right now, so I'm trying to get this show and tell as peacefully and happily as possible. Hopefully some of those googly eyes don't pop out, and hopefully I don't burn my pork chops. So this is the same ribbon that I liked from Hobby Lobby in that blush color. I wanted to match it to her hat. And then more journaling space on the back. Be true, love always. And I don't mind that there's staples there because whoever receives this journal, they can just write over them. Another magazine she was on. Wow, she was on a lot of magazines. And then another Life magazine. Have fun. And it looks like we're coming to the end of the book. I put be true, love always, kind of a little hint from me saying love always and thank you for looking at this video. Stamp my name and you can see where the tea bag laid on the envelope there. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I really did. And I wish that you have a happy day. And this will be up on my Etsy shop soon. Thank you. Bye.